Hey everyone, welcome to a video where I'll show you how to properly connect N8N and set up its credentials. Often we just select things randomly, right? We go here, open it, but when we try to select credentials we simply can't, So I'm going to show you how to do it correctly. First, we'll go to consolecloudgoogle.com and log into our preferred account. We'll open this menu, click New Project, name it, and skip the organization part. Now we wait for the project to create, then we'll enable the APIs we need. Let's go to APIs and Services, and then Enabled APIs and Services, okay? From here, we can search the library section for any APIs we want to use. Let's scroll down in Google Workspace, click See All, and here we have the Google Drive API, Google Sheets, Google Docs, okay? We also have Meet and so on. Just click here, or in my case, Manage. I should switch project. If I switch to Test, I'll see Enable. Let's click that indeed. Alright, now let's go to API Services to the OAuth consent screen section, okay? So API Services right where we were. Now we'll fill out this form, okay? Once again, I need to change projects. Click Start here, wait, and they'll ask for app info. Let's put Test. Okay, this part doesn't matter. For email, I'll use my contact email. Click Next, external users, next, contact info, use the same email. Next, accept, continue, and create, okay? Now we'll just wait, alright? Now we'll click on Create OAuth Client, okay? Application type, web app, even if it's local, got it? If you're doing it locally, choose web app, name it test, and authorize a URL. Which URL are we authorizing? Click here. Hit these three buttons. Open, go to credentials, create new credential, and use this link for authentication. Now it's showing the client ID. We'll copy and paste it here, okay? Then we'll click accept. Where do we find the missing client secret? Just by entering, okay? We'll open this new OAuth verification we created, copy the client secret, and paste it, alright? Okay, but we can't connect to Google yet. It'd say it's blocked, which is a common error. Alright, now we'll click Save and go to Data Access. Next, we'll add or remove permissions and start selecting all the data we can. We'll set it to 100 rows, select all, hit Update, and they'll appear on the left. We'll scroll down and click Save. Now we'll go to Public, click Test Users, and add the email we'll use with these credentials, in this case, this email. Now we'll simply sign in with Google through here. This way we'll have the credentials in N8N without any issues, okay? I hope you liked it and this solved your problem. See you in future videos. Bye bye.